Just calm down.
Our story of the day is Baby Martian Friends, written by Pamela Warren-Armstead. Hey, Busy, come on, dude. See, I got a cool little hat on. Let's go on this adventure. Let's see what happens. Boom! Baby Martian ship has crash landed. But where? It looks like somewhere in outer space. Whoa! A loud, bright, and beautiful place. Busy, have you ever been out of space? I think so, man. Let's see. Whoa! Little baby Martian is surrounded by aliens. They wear white suits and have strange-looking features. The aliens see that baby Martian spacesuit needs repair. They take them to their lab to give them extra love and care. Whoa! Look at those funny-looking Martians. Whoa! I think he looks like one of my best friends. Busy, don't tell I said that. Oh, let's see. The aliens study him. One alien measures his head. One weighs him. The other gives him oxygen. Can we breathe in and out, my little ones? What are they doing to that baby? Let's see what happens next. Whoa! The aliens tickle him by counting his fingers and toes. One pokes at his belly button. The other pokes at his nose. Can we point at our belly button? Whoa! Can we point at our nose? Whoa! Busy, you just buzz, man. Just buzz. Being confused and afraid, baby Martian cries. Luckily, the aliens happily come to his aid. They kiss him and wipe the tears from his eyes. Wipe the tears from your eyes, everybody. Come on, Busy. Be happy, my friends. Be happy. Baby Martian is no longer afraid of the aliens. In fact, the aliens become Baby Martian's good friends and also helpful teachers. He feels loved because the aliens are gentle and kind. They sing songs to him. What kind of songs they gonna sing? Busy, do you know how to sing? What color is that Martian? Green. And even read him nursery rhymes. Let's do a nursery rhyme real quick. With my little hands I go clap, clap, clap. With my little feet I go tap, tap, tap. With my little arms I wave bye, bye, bye. With my little legs I kick ha, ha, ha. Boo. With my little mouth I go I love you. Good job, my little ones. They make him feel happy when he is sad. They cheer him up when he becomes fussy and mad. Can we make a fussy face? Busy, let me see your fussy face. Whoa, that's pretty cool, dude. Still, baby Martian wants to fly. He wants to explore the wild, bright, and beautiful place that is his new home. Wow, that's a nice little blanket, little rug right there. It's like pinkish type purple. What does that Martian do? Right there, it's lovely. Okay, let's see. But baby Martian knows his spacesuit must first be repaired. He just needs a little extra love and a little more extra care to get there. Whoa! And we can do hugs and kisses. Maybe that will help. Yeah, ain't that right, Busy? Ain't that right? The aliens love to make baby Martian giggle and smile. They do tricks. Whoa! Look at them juggling. One wasn't a magician. And look Busy, you just a big old bumblebee. The more baby Martian laughs and plays, day, oh, let's see, after day, and after day. Oh, what's gonna happen next, my little? Look at that. The more stronger and healthier it becomes. Yay! The more hugs and kisses baby Martian receives. Oh, guess what, y'all? The more extra love and extra care repairs his spacesuit. Whoa! Soon baby Martian can explore his loud, bright, and beautiful home. But yes, I'm sad because he doesn't want to explore it all alone. Busy, come on, we're gonna help baby Martian explore. His friends wipe the tears from his eyes. They tell baby Martian they have a special surprise for him. I wonder what's the special surprise? Look at those cool balloons right there. It says you did it. Let's see. Whoa! You did it! You won't ever have to explore this new world alone, they say. You have two friends who want to explore this loud, bright, and beautiful place with you. Busy, we must help them explore this beautiful place. And you too that's watching, they're very gentle and kind. They'll sing songs to you and even read you nursery rhymes. You know what rhymes with nursery rhymes? Storytime! They'll cuddle, giggle, and play with you. They'll learn with you. They'll teach you to stay healthy so you can be strong and grow. Oh, that's why it's always important to have friends, my little ones. Hugs and kisses, they will always share. For there is no boo-boo they cannot repair. For these special friends will always be there to give you extra love and extra care. Give your mom, give your daddy, give one of your family members a hug and kiss. The